top cool, all the shit, you know how we do. Money make it flavor. Peninsula Park, Young Park, wherever, nigga. I've been sippin', I've been pimpin', out of dinner scene everywhere. Ever since I lost my big bro, really I don't care. Faggot on my line, she gotta give me 10K. She 300 plus, she gotta pay me what she weigh. Ain't no tracks near my section, so we flavin' out of state. Don't be checking for me unless she checking for a date. Spins drive better when it's paid off. My nigga might hit you like he ate off. Shoot him in his teeth, knock his brace off. Free all of my niggas in the state. Oh shit, that's facts, they don't know how to act. Niggas getting too attached, forgetting to check the trap. Bitch, I'm back, bitch. And better than I ever been. S5-4 map, feeling like a veteran. She ain't tryna pay me, then I'm pimping on the other friend. Stopping at the red light and tell the bitch to jump in. Bitch had some dumb ass shit to say when she jumped a bit about looking through it like, I never rode a backward before.
Hold on, I'm the face to see and the place to be, man. I'm the nigga that they hate, and you broke, so I can't relate. Yeah, I heard they wanna kill me, but they ain't got enough money, man. Get your motherfucking dough up and make a whole step from hauling up, nigga.
Gives a fuck about her attitude. Give a fuck at the faggot blow. She just did what she felt she had to do. Unappreciative ass bitch, you need to show some more gratitude. She be lucky that I learned to give a fuck, cause I was raised on the avenue. The bitch ain't had no choice when the pimpin' came around. She had to choose. If you was me and I was you, then I be mad at you too. The game that I got could change your life. Your last nigga, we are nothing alike. Set the bitch on another flight. Blaming and misbehaving, that's that shit broke niggas really don't like. Tear it all, baby, run it in. If she don't do it right, then she gon' run again. I'm chucking peas or I'm chucking in. Really, I have a new baby, my nigga, I get it in, raised in the end. The shit that I see make a nigga cringe. It's a hustler party you cannot attend. When snoo his cuz, I check his chin. When came with you, I'ma check his friends. Niggas ain't who they really say they are. Boy, need to check again. Big Benzo, I'm a top dog. Go against the Av, get you knocked off. You ain't a hard nigga, you top sauce. Benzo got flavor like Tabasco hot sauce. Niggas talking about outside the club, nigga, big things, nigga.
Money making flavor.
Talking about she smiling and looking cause she see these big chains, nigga.
Money making flavor.
Talking about pulling up to the motherfucking section, you got a big name, nigga.
Money making flavor.
West Side neighbors, infamous big gang, nigga. Yeah, like, that ain't no motherfucking gang, nigga. This shit for real life, though. I double back and do it twice, though, cause I make this shit right, though. Yeah, they hate me cause I'm 23 and I'm who they wanna be. Hey, can't see what that shit do, though, babe. I just knocked that nigga whole down, you wanna take my life, nigga. That shit crazy, nigga. I can't relate to that, nigga. I have no static about the bitch, nigga. Yeah, I'm out here getting rich, nigga. Out the bitch, nigga. Banked up!
Money making flavor. Money making flavor. Money making flavor.
That Kandies, you see fucking that motherfucker's real deal compared to whatever else some money motherfuckers had, bro. I ain't even seen that shit except on a picture. I could tell it don't hit.
You could tell, yeah, you could tell.
I could tell it don't hit. Nothing like homeboy.
Oh yeah, shit. Yeah, they lied to him.
That ain't nothing like homeboys. Look at that. Look at that shit. Look at that flake deep in there. Pop out and shit.
Candy.
Hold on, I'm the face to see and the place to be, man. I'm the nigga that they hate, and you broke, so I can't relate. Yeah, I heard they wanna kill me, but they ain't got enough money, man. Get your motherfucking dough up and make a whole step from hauling up, nigga.
Gives a fuck about her attitude. Give a fuck at the faggot blow. She just did what she felt she had to do. Unappreciative ass bitch, you need to show some more gratitude. She be lucky that I learned to give a fuck, cause I was raised on the avenue. The bitch ain't had no choice when the pimpin' came around. She had to choose. If you was me and I was you, then I be mad at you too. The game that I got could change your life. Your last nigga, we are nothing alike. Set the bitch on another flight. Blaming and misbehaving, that That's that shit broke niggas really don't like. Tear it off, baby, running in. If she don't do it right, then she gon' run again. I'm chucking peas or I'm chucking in.
So, you really seeing that shining?
Hell yeah, man. Especially in the back quarter right here.
Let's start getting real clean before I start polishing. This is what, who have you seen riding around with something like that, bro?